What is the.com, THE.com? What do you do? What is this business?
Great question. Yeah, the .com has a bunch of different use cases across the web development industry. The platform itself is the backbone of the actual company. It's a web development platform. It can be used as a CMS. It's fully managed in the cloud. So there's the hostings included, the deployment, the custom domains, the SSLs, the backups, the security. It's also built on a very robust infrastructure called serverless technology that allows it to load faster than any other platform. And the unique thing about it, and what all the VCs that we worked with believed in, was it's not a drag and drop editor like most platforms like Squarespace and Wix. Those are great platforms. They're built for the one-off use case generally. You're one person building one site one time. Mm-hmm. The .com is built around the idea that data is what's most important when working with a site. And that has to do with the code itself. That has to do with the content from the marketing person, from the business owner, all of those things. And so the .com's actually set up like a table or like a spreadsheet. And that allows you to create these variable instances that will allow different stakeholders the ability to edit the site and work with data and content in their own kind of like preferable environment. Like, let's say an Airtable or a Google Sheet or a Notion database.
Is this like kind of like Wikipedia, where it's like all the many different people are contributing to the designing and the building of the website? Am I hearing you right?
So there is a really cool concept we added into the platform called blocks, and you can actually remix blocks. So that's if you were to create a part of your website that you thought you're really proud of, you built it really nicely, you can actually submit that to like a block feed where other people can take that information and then remix it into their sites and start editing it. So there is this idea of kind of like, and that's where it crosses over into some of the Web3 principles, kind of like composability and ownership. But, the rest of it's still very Web2, traditional web development, marketing sites, landing pages. You can build 1,000 pages or you can build one page with the .com.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.